Hi, everyone. It's so good to see you. I'm Blake, and I'm really happy you are here with us today.
Hi, friends. I'm Zara. Thank you for joining us. We feel very lucky to learn English together with you.
I'm from a small town in the US, and I grew up near a big, calm lake. I still remember the quiet mornings. It felt peaceful.
And I'm from a busy city with bright lights, always noisy. But no matter where we come from, we all have memories.
Yes, today we will talk about past experiences in English.
Everyone has stories from childhood, school, travel, or even funny mistakes.
And when you can talk about the past, you feel stronger and more confident in English.
Let's warm up. Blake, what did you eat yesterday?
I ate some noodles. Very simple, but very tasty. I was actually smiling while eating them.
Nice! I laughed a lot last weekend with my sister. We couldn't stop giggling.
Don't worry, friends, we will go slow.
And we will repeat key phrases so you feel safe and comfortable.
So let's start by understanding why talking about the past is so important in everyday English. Many times, people speak about childhood, school life, first jobs, and old hobbies.
Yes, and when we talk about these things, we often use very simple past verbs like I was, I had, and I went. These small phrases help you share something that already happened.
Many learners feel shy or nervous when they try to speak about the past in English. It's totally normal.
And that's okay, really. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
For example, yesterday I was very tired after work. See, I was. Past.
And last year, I had a cute little plant on my desk. I had also passed.
Think about your own memories. What stories do you like to share in your language?
Maybe a happy moment? Maybe a small lesson you learned.
Childhood memories are a great way to practice simple past English, so let's share a few. When I was a kid, I played outside almost every day. I played with my friends, and we liked to run around and make silly games.
That sounds so fun. When I was little, I loved drawing. I drew on paper, on boxes, even on my school books. My teacher was not very happy about that. Oh, I still feel a little embarrassed thinking about it.
Oh no, did you feel shy?
Yes, I did, but it's okay now. It's a cute memory.
What about you? Any funny story?
Hmm. Yes, tell us.
Okay, here's one. One time, I tried to bake cookies by myself. I was maybe 7. I forgot the sugar. The cookies tasted, terrible.
Terrible? Yes, really bad.
My mom laughed, and I felt a little embarrassed, but also proud because I tried.
That's sweet. I think many kids have moments like that, feeling proud, shy, or surprised.
True, these simple past verbs, played, liked, loved, help us share these feelings.
Friends, think about your own childhood. What did you play? What did you love?
Use small memories to practice. Even tiny stories help you grow in English.
Now let's talk about first-time experiences. These stories are great for simple past practice. You can start with the first time or I tried for the first time.
Yes, these moments are often emotional or special.
For me, the first time I cooked a full meal was a little scary. I tried pasta for the first time. I was nervous, but in the end, it tasted okay. I was so relieved.
Nice! The first time I traveled alone, I felt excited and a little lost. I walked around the airport and tried to look calm, but inside I was like, oh no, where do I go? I know that feeling. What happened next?
I asked for help, and a kind worker showed me the way. After that, I felt happy and brave.
See, friends? These simple stories show how easy it is. The first time I cooked, I traveled alone. Very clear.
Yes, you just talk about something that already happened. Blake, what about the first time you made a new friend at school?
Oh, I was shy, but he said hello first, and I felt safe.
Friends, think of your own first time moments. They are great for practice.
Now, let's talk about old habits and past routines. In English, we often use I used to or I didn't used to describe things we did many times in the past.
Yes, for example, when I was in school, I used to wake up very early every day. I used to drink a big cup of hot tea before class. That warm tea always made me feel calm.
That sounds cozy. When I was younger, I used to play video games almost every afternoon. I didn't used to read much, but now I read all the time.
Funny how we change, right? I used to talk very fast, and my friends always said, Zara, slow down.
And now you speak nice and slow for our English friends.
True. I'm happy I changed that habit.
I used to be scared of dogs, but now I love them. I didn't used to go on walks, but now I enjoy them a lot.
Friends, it's normal to look back and feel many things. Proud, shy, or even a little surprised.
Think about your own old habits.
What did you used to do?
And what didn't you used to do?
These ideas are great for simple past practice.
Let's move into some simple travel stories or important life moments from the past. Travel memories are great for learning English because we can practice very easy past verbs.
Yes. For example, a few years ago, I went to a small beach town. I saw bright blue water, soft sand, and happy people.
That sounds lovely. How was it?
It was calm. I walked slowly along the beach, and I felt so peaceful.
What about you, Blake? I once visited a mountain village. I went there with my cousin. We saw tall trees and tiny houses. One funny thing happened. I tried to take a picture, but I dropped my phone in the grass.
Oh no! What did you do?
I looked for it for 10 minutes. Then my cousin found it right behind me. I felt so silly.
That's cute. These moments stay in our hearts.
Yes, when we talk about travel, we can repeat simple phrases like I went, I saw, and I felt.
And if a new word appears, we explain it very simply so everyone understands.
Friends, think about a place you visited.
Or a life moment that felt special.
These small stories help you grow in English.
Now, friends, we want to encourage you to share your own stories. Everyone has memories, and talking about the past is a great way to grow in English.
Yes, remember, mistakes are normal. Learning takes time.
Start with short sentences.
Use easy verbs like went, had, or was.
What memory do you want to share?
Maybe a childhood moment
Or a first-time story.
or a place you visited.
We are proud of you.
Truly proud.
Keep going, little by little.
And know we are learning with you.
Let's look at a few simple past words together. Just a few is enough.
Yes, take your time. No stress, okay? Learn at your own pace.
First word, went. It means you moved from one place to another. Example, I went to the park.
Next is was. It helps you talk about how you felt or where you were. I was happy yesterday.
Another one is used to. It means something was a habit before. I used to play soccer after school.
Here is visited. It means you went to see or person. I visited my aunt last week.
And learned. It shows you got new information. I learned a new word.
Last one is tried. It means you made an effort. I tried a new food.
Say them slowly with us. Went, was, used to, visited, learned, tried.
You're doing great. Learn a little each day.
Let's take a quick look back at what we learned today. We talked about using simple past verbs like was, went, and had.
We shared memories, first-time stories, old habits with used to, and small life moments.
These things help you speak more naturally in English.
Remember, keep your sentences short and simple.
And repeat the key phrases again and again.
You're doing an amazing job.
Truly.
Learning to talk about the past helps you grow in real conversations.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
We're proud of your progress.
Before we finish, here's our question of the day. What is one happy memory from your childhood?
Maybe playing with a friend.
Maybe a fun family trip.
Maybe a moment when you felt proud.
Share with us.
We'd love to hear your story.
If you enjoyed learning with us today, please like the video.
And subscribe so you can keep growing your English with us.
Don't forget to share your answer in the comments.
We love reading them.
Come back anytime.
We're always here for you.